Hi guys, this is Bhaskar. Very welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install Java the JDK 8 in your machines. So before that, let me check if it's already installed it or not. So how do we check it? Just open the command prompt and type this command Java version. So here you can see that it says that it's not been recognizable command in system. So let me go to the folder and show you if it is already installed it or not. C drive, program files, Java JDK. No, it's not installed here. No, it's not installed even here. Okay, let me um, download that. So open the first link. So you can see here what kind of OS your system has, like Linux or Mac or Windows. So since I have Windows, so I'll be using the 64-bit versions. So I'll be downloading this. Just accept this and download. And I'll be sharing these links in the description as well for you guys. So you can just log into the login if you have an account, or you can create a normal account and then just log in to download this software. So it's going to take some time. So it's almost like 167 MB. Okay. So it's already downloaded. Let me install it. Yes. Okay. Click on the next. I'm keeping the default paths here. So you can change if you want. Next. But I would prefer it would be better if you keep it in the same path. And moreover, we have that space in between the program file. So you can create it in a new folder where we don't have space and then set that path. So you can change the folder, but I'm keeping the same folder here. So now the Java development toolkit has been installed successfully. I'm just going to close this. So, okay, now let's check. Still is not been able to recognize because we need to set that to element variables. Let's do the properties, advanced system settings. So you can see here the environment variable. You can set it here. So we don't have that set here. Okay, let me add one more variable like new Java home here. path variable. Okay, so once you close it, go here and just type java home. Okay, so so this gives us the path where we set it up. So now we will be able to check the version. So now you will be able to see that this 1.8 Java version has been installed in Initial. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.